Making a table in Canva is a very easy thing to do. Well, the first thing you need to do is to be inside a Canva document, and then on to your left, all you have to do is scroll down all the way until you see the charts option. Now, when you click on it, you can see that there are a bunch of different charts here. So you can have tables, different sheets. I'm just going to quickly go ahead and search for table here, and it doesn't really come up with anything. So in that case, head over to the elements section and search for a table. Now in here, it will first show you graphics, but if you go down to sheets and click on see all, it will show you a bunch of different types of tables or just the basic one. So we're going to go ahead and start with the basic one right here. And now we have a table in our Canva document. So you can drag and resize it how you would want. You can press and hold shift to maintain aspect ratio, rename it. Let's position it right in the middle of the page. And now you can continue adding your text. So this is going to be heading 1, heading 2, press tab to move between cells. So heading 2, tab, heading 3. And you can also work with text. So you can change the alignment to center. You can select multiple cells and make multiple changes in one go. So I want to change this to something like Barbara. So I have my font size changed. You can change the number format. You can change the number decimal. You can sort the table. And then of course increase the font size as well. Now there are a bunch of other different options in here that you can do other than just simply entering data. So then you can go around and add your data without any problems. Then if you want to change the color of a cell, you can just select the cell, go the color option and select whatever color you want. That changes the cell color. Of course, you have your sorting option, so you can sort rows up and down, A to B or B to A. You can also quickly click this option to select everything or your entire table. And then you have other options like copying styles, clearing a selection, adding rows and columns, merging cells. So let's say I want to merge these two cells. I'll select them, right click. I can clear the selection, delete these two columns, or delete this entire row, or just merge these cells, which turn them into one big cell right here. Then you can go ahead and of course enter your data. So param1 from some text. Then you can have param2, another text. Since this is 1, we'll be good to go. Param3 or 34, and then param4 or 5. And there it is. If you press tab or space after the last Q, it will automatically extend the table. So I can just resize it and bring it back. And that's that. That's how easily you can make a table in Canva. You can even drag and drop heads to change their positions. Nothing is really locked here. You can drag and drop rows to change their positions. You can click the plus icon to add new rows in the middle. And that's that. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we will see you in the next video.